guys, I'm Leslie with Off Leash Canine Training in Memphis, and this little guy here is Kobe. Kobe is a 1.5-year-old poodle that is joining us for our 2-week board and train program. His owners say that he's had some training with some puppy lessons, that he just isn't reliable with his commands. They also say that he has some bad manners, that he likes to jump all over them, likes to nip on their fingers, likes to jump all over their children and bite on their children, so it kind of scares them and it hurts a little bit. So they're wanting us to work on that and just work on his commands, get him a little bit more reliable. So let's see what Kobe knows today on day 1. Kobe, come. Go ahead. Sit. 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 Kobe, come. Sit. Kobe, place. Place. Kobe, place. Down. 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 Heel. Good boy. Good boy. So as you can see, he's an excited little boy. He needs some work on his commands. Hey, I know, good job. I know it. All right. So he's a very happy little boy. So we're gonna work on his commands and work on his little manners and his jumping. So I can't wait to show you his transformation in just 2 weeks.